to My Money Buddy, the monthly update in June 2020. Some of the income tax forms have been revised, the first one being Form 26AS. Now, Form 26AS typically shows your tax deducted at source and tax collected at source. From June 1st onwards, it's been revised to include information pertaining to property, share, and mutual fund transactions as well. It has been revamped as an annual information statement and will now contain comprehensive information relating to financial transactions, payment of taxes, any demand and refund, or any pending and completed proceedings in a particular financial year. What's more, this form can be directly imported while filing the income tax returns. New ITR forms have been notified for all categories from ITR 1 to ITR 7. There are some changes in ITR 1. ITR 1 is typically meant for salaried individuals with income of up to 50 lakh rupees and those who have up to one house. Now, in case if you are receiving dividends from shares, you can no longer file ITR 1. If you are a salaried individual with dividends from shares, you will need to file ITR 2. Also, if you have a joint ownership of a house, you cannot file ITR 1 and you will need to file ITR 2. Secondly, all taxpayers need to provide specific details of the quantum of expenditure. So, for example, if you have spent more than 2 lakh rupees on foreign travel, or if you have paid electricity bill for more than 1 lakh rupees, if there has been a cash deposit in your account, this is the current account, for over 1 crore rupees, these details have to be specified and there's separate column where these questions need to be answered. Please note, it has been made mandatory for those qualifying for any of the above parameters to file their income tax return even if their taxable income is below the threshold exemption limit. Also note, a new column has been added in the IT returns to report investments made between 1st April to 30th June 2020, but which will qualify for deduction for financial year 1920. Now remember that as a part of the COVID relief measures, the government has allowed you to make some of your investments pertaining to ATC, ATG, ATD, etc. between April 1st and June 30th, 2020, and use these for deductions for the last financial year. So that's it from me, folks. Do click on the bell icon to subscribe. Do write in and let us know if there are any other specific topics that you would like us to talk about. Cheers.